It's a time for everything, valley and a peak. Time for me to move, time to let it be. Yeah. Can't lean on my understanding alone. Where will I go, who will I be? Searching for what's looking for me. Writers on the wall, they ain't never saw, but they gon' believe, yeah. Pledging my allegiance for all the nights high, for all the nights I weep on the floor of my room. Had to go against the odds, had to roll the dice just to make it even. I ain't have a dime, had to pay the price, and I kept receipts, yeah. Even when I ain't, I did it for the ride. I'm looking for the ride, living for the ride, and I'm praying for the light. I'm living for the ride, I'ma make it out alive when I do it for the right reason. Sky is the limit. As long as you wake up in the morning, I hear some stuff you listen to in the night. But just make sure that your faith rise to the level that you can claim what you have with the Lord. Right. Very important.